Remember last time we talked about the Kuwayawaya? You mentioned just how much you had spent on the music video, which was 17,000, guys. That's a lot of
You
money.
still remember those figures, yeah?
How can I forget? 17,000 is
Yeah.
how much you spent on
Kuwayawaya.
on
But
basically.
that was just on video and audio production.
Okay.
There was also promotion.
Promotion.
Yeah,
So the 17,000 didn't include promotion.
no, it didn't include promotion.
So we're talking about approximately how much?
I can go maybe to somewhere 30k in
But-
just Kuwayawaya.
Yeah, but the good thing is that I remember last time you said that you made back the money.
Yeah, I did. I did. Even Dondo has already brought back what I spent on there.
How much did you spend on Dondo?
Dondo I didn't really spend. To be very honest, Dondo I haven't really spent a lot. I remember when we were doing the visualizer.
Yeah.
When I code was actually we wrote a script for the official video. Ndondo official video. The same man that directed Kuwayawaya is the one that wrote the official script for Ndondo. But unfortunately, we couldn't shoot the official video because I needed to transport, the team from Lusaka, so all those costs, and I'm like, then Waz was like, you know what? Sometimes I feel like we shouldn't be stressing so much, investing so much money, and at the end of the day, people won't even look at your
How much you've spent,
bro. They just watch the song, and then next they
without understanding.
Yeah.
No.
No, there are people who have really shot expensive videos, and yet people won't even pay attention.
True.
But somebody will just get an iPhone or any phone and then just shoot, and then it goes viral.
True.
So Waz was like, let's do something. Don't stress too much. If people, will accept the sound, the video won't matter.
That's very true.
That's what he said. But it's a two-way thing. What if the song blows, so big, and the video isn't that
That's good.
You understand? So it's a 50-50.
Oh yeah, it's basically a gamble.
It's a gamble. That's why others would even advise people to say, when you're doing a song, do everything proper. Whether it blows up or not, just do proper, because you never know where the song might take you.
Might end up.
Yeah, so when I was doing Ndondo, that was just a visualizer. We had intentions of shooting an official video. Yeah.
So those ideas for the official videos have been dropped for now.
No, the script is there.
Okay. Are you going to go ahead and do it, or you're still thinking about it?
Yeah, we're still thinking about it, because there are other plans that have come in after Ndondo blew up,
Yeah.
So there are other plans that have really come in to say, okay, you know what should we do next?
Oh yeah.
And that I wouldn't really say now, but there's something big coming up.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, we love to hear such.
Yeah, so for Ndondo, the expense wasn't really much. Even on promotion, promotion I tried.
Okay.
I tried to really, do my best. But it has the song has also made it easy, because people are just receiving.
Yeah, I mean it's more like it's pushing itself at this point.
Yeah, maybe you were planning of calling somebody. I would like you to check out my song and then see what you can do about it. The next day, before you call them, you wake up, you find they've already used the sound. So yeah.